What up, man? It's your boy going nuts, man. Out here in the 252. Representing North Carolina, man. 919-910-336, all up everywhere. That's right, man. Out here in this little country, bro. About to get out here and play with my other little baby today, man. Y'all seen my taco yesterday. Y'all seen me doing little mods, little upgrades and stuff, man. I want to take and dedicate this cold start, the My Infinity, to the boy SprayWayCustoms, man, for reaching out and typing into my video, leaving the comment, man. I appreciate the love, bro. You know what I'm saying, man? I watch all y'all guys, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Y'all motivation for me to do this and to keep doing this, man. So, bro, hey, this cold start for you, dog. You hear me? Sprayway, that's for you, dog. Had to give it to you, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we get ready to get out here, man, and move around, man. Make some moves. About to take this baby to the car wash. She a little dirty. Everybody around by looking at me like I'm crazy as hell because I'm out here talking to myself. But guess what? It don't even matter, man. Whether I'm talking to myself or not, I ain't talking to myself, man. I'm really talking to y'all, man. I'm talking to everybody that's showing me love, giving me some support, and everybody that's gonna show love and show support, because I know y'all gonna like, comment, browse, and share these videos, man, because we going up, man. The rest of 2020, we going into 2021 going up, and then we gonna go into every other year going up, man. You know what I'm saying? So we here now. Ain't no need to play, ain't no need to damn joke around or nothing like that, man. We get ready to get it, man. But until then, I'll be back at you. You hear me? Peace. Yes, sir, boy. About to get a quick pull. Out now. Definitely move out. Baby ain't no slouch. Keep telling you, boy. I keep telling these little juggers around here, boy. Spending all this money in these cars. Just because you spend money in it don't mean it's done the right way. It takes more than just dumping money into a car. It takes a little time. It takes a little time. You gotta know what to get. Who to put it on, tune it, make sure it's done right. Because if you don't, it's really just a waste of time. Just a waste of time, bro. Yeah, this fool right here coming right on the damn bridge. Fucking idiot. Some people do some stupid shit. Yes, sir. Look at her, boy. Look at her. Look at her. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Oh, oh, yes, sir. That's spotless right there. Look at that shine. Look at that shine on her, boy. Boy, she's something nasty. Not only will she blow the doors off your ass, boy, she look good as hell. She got to have a little work done to her. Little minor stuff. Yes, sir.
JD, grab the towels and throw it back.